The home for sale at 12 Bowdoin Street has an L-shaped lot. It's also on a corner, but this little section goes behind the garage. It keeps going along the hedge. That long roadway size width is yours. There's a single car garage. Hello, I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. This is 12 Bowdoin Street, Houlton, Maine, 2 blocks from the hospital. Here's the good news. It's cheaply priced. There's 4 bedrooms, a bath and a half, a wraparound L-shaped porch. We sold this property roughly 8 years ago for around $80,000. Then what happened, Andy? Well, foreclosure. Took forever to get it back on the market, like years. Lack of heat, frost, ooh, not a good combination. Let's look at the house. The mudroom, den, entry has a bricked hearth for a wood stove, place to hang your coats. This does have heat. It's used year-round. The kitchen is big. The original slate sink is in place. Glass doors. It's a pantry of sorts. The ceiling's raised paneled. Is that a neat sink? The formal dining room has a china closet. This is a federal-style house with cedar shingle siding, asphalt roofing. Coming into the living room, there's a corner fireplace. There's an archway door to go back into the kitchen. You don't have to go through the dining room to get to the kitchen. There's a front entry off that L-shaped porch. That's your downstairs at 12 Bowdoin Street. Shag carpet. You don't see that a lot these days. There's 4 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1, the blue room with purple. Bedroom 2, it also has a closet. And 2 windows. And a wall of built-ins. Bedroom number 3. It has a closet and 2 windows. It's off the bathroom. It has some tile around the tub and shower. The master bedroom is long. It has an extremely deep closet. There's an attic too. It runs opposite the stairway that comes up from the first floor. If you need more than 4 bedrooms, this is where you're going to put them in. It has dormers, so you'd have light. You just have to vent it, heat it, sheetrock it, insulate it. The home does not have all kinds of debris or junk. See the hardwood flooring? That's what's underneath all this gorgeous shag rugging, or all the rugs. It would look like the living room with a little time and attention. It could look like this. Hardwood flooring is a wonderful thing. And the fireplace, it could have a pellet stove insert. But what's the catch? What a price. Nice house with some cosmetic updates, right? Well, in a word, it's basement. Your basement is where we have problems, issues. It's nothing money can't fix. But the foundation, one wall's come completely in, the other ones are heaving. You're going to want to bring someone that knows something about concrete work when you look at the house at 12 Bowdoin Street. This is what you're looking at in the street scene along Bowdoin Street. It's a nice neighborhood, and you're 2 blocks from Houlton Regional Hospital. I'm Maine Realtor Andy Mooers. Thank you for listening and watching the Maine Real Estate Channel. The house needs work, but it's priced to sell. If you're up to the task, please like this video, make a comment down below, and consider subscribing to our channel. please visit mooersrealty.com.